Hello, kindergarten. Welcome to another week of spelling words. This week we will be doing 6 words again. 2 today, 2 on Tuesday, 2 on Wednesday, Thursday is spelling review, and Friday is your spelling test. Now, Mrs. Oblotnik and I have been reading the sentences you have made, and we are very, very impressed at how well you're making your sentences. So very well done, kindergarten. You guys are preparing very hard for grade 1, which is exciting to see. Okay, Miss Salvador is going to stop rambling and start spelling now. So, I would like you to take out your spelling pages. Today we are on page 39. That's a 3 and a 9. If you don't have a pencil ready, you may go ahead and get one. Remember, you can always pause the video anytime if I'm going too fast, and then unpause it when you are ready to go. Let's start with our first word, which is beg. My dog knows the trick of how to beg. Beg. Kindergarten, I'm sure you know the beginning sound for beg, which is b. We've had quite a bit of words that start with the sound b. And I'm sure most of you know that the first letter is the letter B from the phonogram b. B-e-g. The next letter we have is the letter E from the phonogram e. B-e-g. G. The next letter after E is the letter G from the phonogram g. J. Excuse me. Now there are no markings for this word, so we're going to just go ahead and spell the word beg, which is B-E-G. Good. First one was really simple, kindergarten. Let's move on to our second word for today, which sounds very similar to beg, but it's bog. That piece of land has a bog. And a bog, kindergarten, is just a wet, muddy area of land. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put on a small picture of what a bog looks like. And if you look up on the screen, you should be able to see it now. This is a picture of a bog, which is kind of like a wetland. So it's a wet, muddy piece of land. So that's what we mean by bog. Okay, moving on. Let's get ready to spell bog. The beginning sound is the same as the previous word. So bog, we have the beginning sound b, meaning our first letter is the letter B from the phonogram b. B-a-g. After the letter B, we have A, which is the letter O from the phonogram A-O-U. B-a-g. G. Again, we hear that G sound, and we know that we have the letter G from the phonogram G. J. The word bog, kindergarten, doesn't have any markings, so we will leave it at that. Let's get ready to spell bog, which is B-O-G. Now, just like last week's words, beg and bog sound very, very similar, but they are different words. I'll give you a moment to check how they are the same or how they are different. Okay, kindergarten, let's take a look. Beg and bog. If we sound out the beginning sound, the b, they are the same. Excuse me. If we sound out the ending sound, g, they are the same. So their beginning and ending sounds are the same. They are different from their middle sounds. Beg has an E and bog has an O. So because they sound the same, that means we have to listen very carefully to the words and sentences for our spelling test this Friday. All right, that's all for today, kindergarten. You may move on to your sentence writing and finishing up beg and bog. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.